On this episode, it's all about the 350Z and nitrous passes. So we'll give you a little overview of the 350Z and we'll get right into some passes at Yellow Belly. Alright guys, enjoy the episode. So what we have here is a 2004 350Z that I bought from a friend of mine who wrecked it. Stripped it down, took some weight out of it, obviously, and lightened her up some, slapped some nitrous on it, and we're having fun with it. This is where I spliced in the other car. This whole section of the car is a whole different car. So we take it to our local 8 mile track a bunch and make some hits. Here's the nitrous. It's very, very sloppy. I just have a hand switch. That's about it. Stripped all the dash out, all the AC, everything bare bones. It runs an 8.8 in the 8th with no nitrous, and I sprayed my way to an 8.1 with it with nitrous. So that's the Z. Here's just some clips of some passes that we've done over the last few weeks. Alright, we're back out here at Yellow Belly with the Z. About to unload it on the trailer, make some passes. I think first things first, we'll do some NA passes, and then we'll get into some nitrous passes. TJ's here to help.
Big Dick Rick. Demonetized.
Racing this Mustang right here next. He's got 120 shots, 4.6. We'll see what happens.
This was the last pass of the evening up against a nitrous 5.0 Mustang. I think we both spun real bad, and at this point it was like 10:30 and I was ready to call it a night. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the 350Z nitrous pass videos at the good old Yellow Belly 8th mile strip where no rules apply and we just have a lot of fun. Alright, see y'all on the next one.